If you are a high-performing professional in a high-pressure job and your blood pressure is creeping up, this video is for you. Because there is a dietary framework that has been shown to reduce blood pressure by up to 11.4 millimeter of mercury. And it's not a perfect eating plan, it's a structure. Let me explain. Most leaders I work with are exactly like you. Driven, responsible, high standards. You can run a calendar, run a company, run a big team. But your health is becoming the bottleneck. And it usually starts quietly. You check your blood pressure and it's 140/90, 150/95, or your doctor says you should start you on medication. And you're thinking, this is how the decline starts? More pills every year? But deep down, you don't want this to be your future. Here's what makes it worse. Your life doesn't slow down. Your stress is constant. Your brain is on all day. Meetings stack, deadlines stack, and food becomes just a way to mask the hunger. Whatever is fast, whatever is available, whatever keeps you moving. Now you might have tried to fix it, but let's be honest, the advice you got was useless. Eat healthier, reduce stress, exercise more, lose some weight, and you're like, okay, cool, but how? How do I do that when I travel, when I eat out all the time, when I work late, and I'm already spending all my discipline at work? Here's the good news, you don't need more rules, you need a system that works even when life is intense. Because the real issue isn't that you don't care, it's that you don't have a structure, and without structure, it's your schedule that always wins. So here's the solution. If you want the most evidence-based starting point for lowering blood pressure with food, start with DASH diet. DASH stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. It was literally designed for this exact problem. High blood pressure, real people, real lives. Now let me show you a simple version of the core idea. DASH is not a trendy diet. It's a clinically tested eating pattern that shifts your physiology in the right direction. Here's what makes it effective. Number one, it increases key minerals that support blood pressure regulation. Potassium, magnesium, calcium. These nutrients help your vascular system function better, meaning your arteries, your blood vessels relax more efficiently and your pressure control improves. Number two, it lowers the stuff that quietly drives vascular stress. Saturated fat, sweets, and salt. Less inflammation, less friction in the system. And number three, although it can lead to weight loss, the blood pressure benefits were shown to be independent of that, meaning this can work even if your weight isn't changing yet. Besides, these effects were not related to physical activity levels or even alcohol intake. So no, this isn't only about restricting more. DASH is stronger than just one lever. It's a full pattern. Now the question becomes, how do you implement this as someone short on time without turning your life upside down? So let's make it practical. I'm going to give you a version that fits your life, fits your schedule, no perfection, just a structure. Here are the 4 DASH anchors. Anchor number 1, standardize 1 meal per day for the start. Not your entire life, just 1 meal. Breakfast or lunch. Choose the one that you can control every day. Anchor number 2, use the DASH plate formula for every anchor meal that you pick. Include 1 fruit, 1 cup of mineral-rich vegetables, 1 piece of lean protein, and 1 high-fiber carb. For example, for fruits or vegetables, you can use berries, leafy greens, or cooked mixed veggies. For lean protein, you can use eggs, lean beef, chicken, fish, Greek yogurt, and for high-fiber carbs, you can use whole grains, quinoa, beans, lentils, or brown rice. This can change the food game for you without following any strict diet. Anchor number 3, upgrade your default snacks. because snacks are where busy people quietly lose. Swap the processed salty or sweet defaults to fresh options: fruits, nuts, yogurts plus berries, hummus plus vegetable sticks, or a mix of all above. Anchor number 4, the restaurant plans. You're not going to stop eating out, so you need a plan that works anywhere. Here it is in 3 steps. Number 1, protein plus vegetables as the base. Number 2, sauces on the side so you can measure how much you add. And number 3, upgrade your drinks from soda to plain water. Now run this as a 2-week experiment. 4 anchors, 14 days. Track your blood pressure properly and watch your numbers respond. When you implement this properly, here's what changes. You stop feeling like your health is slipping while you're focused on your career. You walk into checkups with calm confidence. Your blood pressure becomes a metric that you actually control, not a threat that you avoid. You feel more stable, more energy, clearer thinking, better recovery, better sleep, and you're no longer gambling your long-term health for some short-term productivity. That's the goal. Not perfection, control the trajectory. Now, let me give you one real example. I had a client with high blood pressure, business owner, lots of deadlines, and lots of drama at home. A classic high-pressure life. He was managing his numbers with 2 different pills. And of course, medication can be necessary and absolutely life-saving, but he didn't want the future trend line to be more pills forever. So we built a simple structure, not extreme, not complicated. Just consistent dash-style anchors. In a few months, his numbers improved enough that under medical supervision, his doctor discontinued one of his pills. Now, the next step he's working toward is going completely off medication, if his clinician agrees, of course. That's not a hype. That's what happens when you stop guessing and start running a system. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel for more tips. And if you want my help building this into your actual life, your schedule, your travel, your eating out, click the link below and I'll show you exactly how I work with my private clients to upgrade their health with a simple, realistic system they can actually follow. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video.